Hey there, Juliana Tomasek from julianatomasek.com, and I have another Facebook hack for you today. And today we are going to learn about how to change the cover photo on your Facebook profile. So this picture right here, this is an amaryllis, and it's a picture I posted up there, and it's the background basically. And here's where you put your photo. But here's the background. So in order to change that cover photo, and you're going to keep your picture right here still, you're going to go to the left-hand side where it says Update Cover Photo. Click on that, and you'll have some options. You can select photo or select artwork, create a collage, upload a photo, reposition, which means if you want to change where that picture is, like you want to focus on a different part of it, or you can remove it. What we're going to do today, we're going to go to Upload Photo. And I have some pictures that I have. And I'm just going to go here, and I'm going to double click on this picture. And the place I got this picture is from that Pixabay where I showed you in another video how to find royalty-free pictures. So this is just a picture that really speaks to me. I like that, and I can move it around if I want. I love that road and the sunshine coming through. I'm just gonna click Save Changes. And then I want to look and see how it looks, because sometimes there will be something, I don't want that tree to be coming out of the top of my head or anything like that, anything silly like that. And just waiting for this to load. It's just a little slow today. So here we go, and there is an updated cover photo. Make sure you subscribe and check out my videos for other Facebook hacks and lots of other fun things. Thanks for watching.